My first pizza recipe. Written by Danielle Clout and illustrated by Sue Matero. Pizza is yummy. Pizza is fun. Let's make some pizza for everyone. First comes the dough. You roll it out thin. Maybe pick a fun shape to put the dough in. A circle or square would be a good start. But how about a star, a triangle, or heart? Now comes the sauce. Spread it all around the dough, all the way to the edges, as far as it will go. Sprinkle the cheese. Sprinkle high, sprinkle low. Sprinkle up, sprinkle down. Sprinkle fast, sprinkle slow. You can pick out some toppings and place them with care. Some peppers, some mushrooms, some spices if you dare. In the oven it goes to melt all the cheese and crisp up that dough as much as you please. When out of the oven, let it cool down a touch before grabbing a slice. To enjoy oh so much,